Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup iPhone to Google Drive. Easy guide step by step clearly. To back up your iPhone to Google Drive, start by ensuring you have the Google Drive. Open the App Store and search for Google Drive if you don't have it yet. Once installed, open the Google Drive app and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have an account, tap on Add Account to create a new one. Next, grant the app the permissions it requires to access your photos and videos. Tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Backup. Here, you will see options for backing up your data. You can choose to back up your contacts, calendar events, and photos. Tap on the toggle next to each option to enable or disable them as needed. Next, tap on Start Backup to begin the process. The backup may take some time depending on the amount of data you have chosen to back up. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi network for faster upload speeds. You can check the backup progress in the Google Drive app. Once the backup is complete, you will receive a confirmation notification. Your data is now safely backed up to Google Drive. To access your files later, simply log into Google Drive from any device. Remember, an active internet connection is required to back up and restore your data. That's it. You've successfully backed up your iPhone to Google Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.